Hi, let's talk about the foam roller. It's a very commonly used tool to help you stretch and mobilize parts of your body, but there are many different ways to use the foam roller outside of that. I use the foam roller to help me strengthen and help me balance my body when I'm doing different exercises. So watch the videos after this to see the different ways that I like to use the foam roller. So one way I like to use the foam roller is to help me rotate my spine a little bit more. To start off with the stretch, you put your arms and your knees on the floor. You put the back of your hand on the foam roller and you roll the roller away from your body with your arm on the roller to feel a big stretch in your upper back. You can also do the same thing by kneeling down a little bit further so you're sitting on your heels and rotating out the same way. Another stretch that I like to do with the foam roller is to help me rotate my spine. So you get into a kneeling position, hold the roller in front of you, and then twist over your knee. Make sure you do both sides. Another stretch that I like to do with the foam roller helps me to stretch the front of my hips, so my hip flexor muscle. So by lining up like this and keeping your hands on the roller, it's easier to position your pelvis in the right position and then push forward to help you balance this way so you can relax into the stretch. And it's a little bit easier to do the stretch this way for me than to do it this way. I feel a bigger and more comfortable stretch with my arms on the roller, pushing forward. An exercise that I love to do with the foam roller is a bridge. Put the balls of your feet on top of the roller and then lift your butt off the ground. You can make it a little bit more challenging by rolling the roller away and closer to your body as you go up. So you can go up and roll. So this really exercises my hamstring muscles a lot. You can also do this on one leg. And you can also add in the one leg with the roll. You can use the foam roller to spruce up your planks to make them a little bit more challenging. So plank up and then roll your knees forward and back. You can also do it with one leg, or like that. You can also use the foam roller to help you squat with better form. Hold the foam roller over your head. Keep your chest upright as you squat up and down. You want to try to keep the foam roller over your head so it doesn't come forward as you squat. So as you go, if the foam roller is coming here, it's a reminder to pull your arms back up. The foam roller is also a great way to help you maintain your balance when you're doing single leg exercises. So when I do single leg deadlifts, this is how I do it with the foam roller. The foam roller helps me maintain my balance so I don't need to think about it, and I can focus more of my energy on keeping the weight on the back of my leg. You can also use a foam roller as a way to do certain chest exercises or stretches if you don't have a bench at home. So basically you're going to line up with your head and your butt on top of the roller like this. And stretch your chest by finding those angles where you feel the biggest stretch. So for me, it's over here. So I feel a big stretch on my chest right here. And you can also use the foam roller to help you strengthen your upper body. So if you have dumbbells, this is a great place to do some flies. Also, if you have some dumbbells, this is a good place to do some dumbbell presses.